What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. Hope you guys having a great day. We are back for another unboxing. I got a box right here ready to be opened, and we're gonna open it together. I've been waiting for this package for about a week now, and obviously, I mean, like, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, if you don't know, it's another pair of sneaks in this box right here that I actually got from StockX, and it finally arrived. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside the box. So enough talking, enough chit chatting, let's get straight to the unboxing. So I ordered these about a week ago, and I finally got them today when I'm filming this. And it's a pair of shoes, I guess you can call these grails, that, you know, I've had my eye on these for a while now, and I don't know, it's hard to find these shoes now in a good condition, but you know, they're StockX, so you know, StockX has my back, and I finally decided to pull the trigger, and I need something to open this box with. I lost my knife, so I need something sharp. Alright, so there we go. Open the box, unfold the box, get the flaps, and we have some special StockX bubble wrap. Always nice. More bubble wrap. Then bam, you guys see it, a Jordan 1 box. What could it be? Like I said, I've been looking for this shoe for a while now. Funny story, I bought a pair off of eBay because it was a pretty good price for a used pair, and it was my size. It's hard to find my size, a size 9, and I found one on eBay. I bought it, but you know, you got to be careful with eBay. I bought the shoe came in. I looked up videos on how to legit check these pairs of shoes right here. I looked them over, and I don't know, it looked kind of funny, so I took them to my sneaker shop. You know, they helped me out. I legit checked them, and they told me, yeah, they're fake. So I returned them. I got my money back, so it's all good. I didn't lose any money, and yeah, so I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna just buy a pair off of StockX, and here we have it. It's a Nike Air Jordan 1 box, as you guys can tell from the box. You know, your regular box, and then you have your size tag right there, size 9. Happy to have these. Let's just pop the top. Okay, all right, wait, hold up. Okay, stuff is falling off. Obviously StockX to give you the signature card right there, your receipt, and obviously you get your StockX sticker that fell off right there. Shout out to StockX. This is not a paid video. I just love StockX. I use it all the time. I sell shoes there, I buy shoes there, buy Supreme off of there. I love StockX. But here we have it, and we also got the receipt. These came straight from Foot Locker, and these shoes are pretty old. These shoes came out in 2016. Obviously we're in 2018, and here we have it. Oh, laces are in the way. Here we have it, the Air Jordan 1 bread band, whatever you guys want to call these. I needed these in my collection. As you guys know, I have a whole bunch of Air Jordan 1s in my collection. I got the Royals, I got the Shadows, I got what else do I have? The Shadows, Royals, what is this? Shadows, I think those are Royals. What are, oh, the Royals, the bread toes. I also got the lime green Gary Jordan 1s, and obviously, as you guys saw, I did have the clay green and the blue moons, but I actually sold those pairs. But yeah, now I have these, the Air Jordan bread ones, band ones, whatever you guys want to call these. These are sauce. Now, I remember when these came out in 2016, I actually tried to go for them on Nike sneaker at, but obviously I took an L, and after that I didn't go for the shoe. But you know, years later, since my Air Jordan 1 collection has been growing, obviously I got the Royals, Shadows, Bread Toes. I needed these Jordan 1 breads right here in my Jordan 1 collection, and it's just a dope, clean colorway. Black, red, white, you can't go wrong. You can literally match these with anything, and these shoes are sauce. Like that red, this like dark red is just beautiful. Leather is beautiful. Like, look at that leather right there. Look at that Nike swoosh. That shit is tumbled AF. That shit is hella nice. Then obviously you got your toe. Look at that. Hold on. Look at that leather. That nice soft leather on these bad boys. Look at that. Look at that. That's some good leather right there. Look at that. Squishy, soft, and nice. Beautiful. Obviously your Air Jordan right there, that nice leather on there as well. And then on the other shoe, you got that nice soft leather as well. It's not as tumbled as the other one, but it is what it is. Nike swoosh, nice and nice, some nice leather on there. Look at that, some sauce, some fire. Now obviously right there you got your size and the year, month, and day that obviously the Jordan 1 breads are banned. The day they got banned is on there. And yeah, these shoes are sauce, and their DS as well. It was a must. And obviously I got these from StockX, so you got that verified tag right there, and these did come with extra laces, white, red, and obviously the black laces that is on there. And yeah, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's been problems with Air Jordan 1s where the leather starts to have this sparkle effect. Some of y'all probably know what I'm talking about, and this one you can kind of see it sparkle. Apparently it's like the nutrients or the minerals in the leather, they're coming off or some shit. I don't know, but yeah, black, white, red, can't go wrong. Jordan 1, easy to match, beautiful shoe, leather on point. And yeah, pair of 2016 Jordan 1 breads. Finally happy to add these to the collection. As you guys know, we have the shadow ones right there, bread ones, and the royal ones. Like, look at this, red and blue. Look at that. I'm gonna wear the the bread one on my right foot, and I'm gonna wear the royal one on my left shoe. Look at that. I'm gonna be like motherfucking Spider-Man. Yeah, honestly, I don't know when I'm gonna wear these. And as you guys can see, I haven't even worn my shadows yet, or my royals. And the thing is that honestly, I don't have time to lace them up. As you guys know, the Jordan 1s, they come unlaced like this, so you gotta like lace them up, right foot, the right shoe, the left shoe, and honestly, it just takes time. And I just want to like slip on the shoe and go, and I don't want to be there 20 minutes lacing up my shoes, you know what I mean? But yeah, who knows when I'll wear these. I mean, I'll eventually wear them, but, and also I like to wait a little bit, you know, let people wear theirs, let them beat theirs up, and then, you know, one day just whip it out and just be like, look at mine, they're all nice and crisp. But yeah, that is it for this video. I am out. Quick little unboxing, and stay tuned next week. Next week we have some fire shoes coming in and some other content on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.